Hi, my name is Eleni Alderman, and we asked seniors how many AP classes they've taken. I've asked seniors on Twitter and Instagram.
Hi, my name is Hannah Beck, and I asked seniors from Snapchat and GroupMe.
Hey, my name's Ben, and I asked seniors over GroupMe and Snapchat.
The first thing you have to do is you have to put the numbers from the board who least serious.
Alright, first we're going to calculate the mode. So our mode is going to be the one that would appear most greatly, which in this case is 3. So our mode is going to be 3. Good.
So now we're going to find the median of the data points, and to find the median, you have to cross out a number from each side to find the middle number. So the middle number here is 2.
So to get the median, you have to add all of the numbers, and all of this equals 230. And then you divide 230 by 100 because there's 100 numbers in the data set. And that should equal 2.3.
Alright, so now we're going to calculate Q1 and Q3. So I'm going to write the first half of the data set all the way up until the median.
So now we're going to find out the range, and by that you take the max number and the min number and you subtract them. So your range is going to be 6. So now we're going to find the mid-range, and you add the min and the max and you divide it by 2. So max is 6.
Alright, so now we're going to calculate the standard deviation. So we have all of our data set here entered in Excel. So to calculate it, I'm just going to do equals S T DEV, and then I'm just going to call it. Okay, so our standard deviation is going to be 1.62, and our variance is going to be 2.65.
Okay, so the max number of AP classes seniors have taken is 6. The minimum is 0. Now we go over here, and if we take the median of the second half of the data for AP classes, you get 4, and the first half of the data is 1. You subtract both of those, or you subtract Q1 from Q3, and you get 3 for the interquartile range. The range of the data for AP classes is 6, and the mid-range is you get 3.
Alright, so our median number of AP classes the seniors took was 2. The mean number, or the average, was 2.3 AP classes per senior. And the mode, which means the most amount of seniors are taking 3 AP classes. Our standard deviation is 1.63, which means that on a normal distribution curve between each of the different slots, it's going to be about 1.63 classes apart, and the variance is going to be 2.66. Alright, so here's the graphical representation for our data. On this axis, the x-axis, we have the number of AP classes taken by each student, and on the y-axis, we have the number of students that took that many AP classes. So as you can see here, the most common is 3 AP classes taken by each of the students, and that would be the mode. Alright, so our data set is not normally distributed, because if it was normally distributed, it would follow a normal distribution curve, kind of like the one that I just traced out on my with my mouse. So right here, the 0 and 1 is much higher than the 5 and 6 AP classes. They're almost as high as the 3 AP classes. So it doesn't fit the normal distribution curve.